Hey everyone, have you ever imagined that a city in the east of France could surpass the charm of Paris? Welcome to Lyon, a city of unparalleled beauty, starting in the lively 7th district and visiting its most iconic sites. Prepare to be enchanted by Lyon's rich history and vibrant modernity. We begin our adventure in the vibrant 7th District, a melting pot of cultures near the city's universities. From the 7th District, we head to a historic bridge spanning the Rhône River, dating back to the 12th century and rebuilt several times. This bridge remains a vital link to the city center. As we cross, we're treated to splendid views of the Rhône, its water reflecting boats gliding gracefully along its surface. The bridge's storied past, including a collapse in 1190, adds intrigue to our exploration. Arriving at place Bellecour, we find ourselves in the beating heart of Lyon, a nod to the city's royal heritage. Surrounded by elegant edifices, shops, cafes, and the tourist office. One of Europe's largest pedestrian squares is dominated by an equestrian statue of Louis XIV. It's the perfect spot to soak up Lyon's lively atmosphere. Next, we venture to the presqu'île, the peninsula betwixt the Rhône and Saône rivers, Lyon City Hall, built in the 17th century by Simon Maupin. This grand edifice boasts an ornate facade and opulent interiors. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it has witnessed centuries of history, from fires to revolutions, embodying Lyon's civic pride. Its vast expanse makes it a focal point of Lyonnais life, celebrating a story that captivates hearts worldwide. From Vieux Lyon, we ascend by funicular to Fourvière Hill. This area pulses with youthful energy, home to students and diverse communities. The square also houses the Musée des Beaux-Arts, a former abbey with one of France's largest art collections, from ancient artifacts to modern works. It's a testament to Lyon's cultural richness. Where the Basilica of Notre Dame de Fourvière stands in majestic glory. Built in the late 19th century, this basilica blends Romanesque and Byzantine styles with intricate mosaics and stained glass. Its esplanade offers Lyon's finest panoramic view, encompassing red tile roofs, two rivers, and on clear days, the distant Alps. Descending back to Vieux Lyon, we visit the Little Prince store, a charming boutique honoring Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, Lyon's native son and author of The Little Prince, filled with merchandise inspired by this beloved tale. Next, we take a leisurely amble along the Saône River's banks. The quays, lined with trees and benches, create a serene setting for a relaxing stroll. Locals rowing or kayaking, water sports add vibrancy to the tranquil scene. Views of Vieux Lyon's colorful buildings and distant hills are especially picturesque as the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the city. With a dedicated lane for pedestrians and cyclists, adorned with artistic installations and lighting effects, this tunnel transforms a simple crossing into a piece of urban art, reflecting Lyon's innovative spirit. We cross the Saône River via the Passerelle to Palais de Justice, a pedestrian bridge offering picturesque views of the river and Old Town. We're transported to the Renaissance. This district, with its cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and hidden troubles, secret passageways, once used by silk workers, enchants with its historical charm and mystery. As we stroll through its streets, the Arquiteca, a harmonious blend of ancient and contemporary, tells the story of this dynamic locale. Bustling markets and global restaurants offer a glimpse into Lyon's diverse soul. From this vantage point, we appreciate Lyon's beauty in a new light, a magical end to our exploration. Lyon, with its blend of history, culture, and modernity, seems to captivate the soul. From the vibrant 7th district to the serene heights of Fourvière, this journey showcases why Lyon might just be France's hidden gem. We hope you're inspired to visit and experience its magic for yourself. As I amble along the river's edge, a gentle breeze caresses my skin, carrying the fresh scent of water and earth. The soft lapping of the current against the banks soothes my soul, while the distant hum of life pulses faintly, blending with the rustle of leaves overhead. Sunlight dances on the water's surface, casting golden flickers that dazzle the eyes. Each step feels light, as if the rhythm of the river guides my pace, inviting a sense of calm and wonder. Beneath the hill, a cool, echoing passage wraps me in a surreal calm, with soft lights flickering like whispers, guiding my steps through an urban dream. Emerging from the tunnel, we arrive in the 6th district, known for its upscale residences and verdant parks. Our destination is Parc de la Tête, one of France's largest urban parks. This green oasis offers a lake for boating, a zoo with global wildlife, botanical gardens with thousands of plant species, and a rose garden with over 30,000 roses, a perfect spot for relaxation. Wandering these streets, I'm enveloped by a refined energy where elegance seems to linger in the air. The hum of sophisticated chatter mingles with the clink of coffee cups, creating a warm, inviting buzz. Tree-lined avenues cast dappled shadows, and each corner reveals a fresh burst of charm, gleaming facades and vibrant shopfronts that spark curiosity. Along the river, the water's gentle ripple calms my mind, while a lively hum of voices and laughter fills the air. The warm glow of sunlight on my face and the vibrant energy of bustling life make each step feel exhilarating, as if I am part of a joyful, flowing dance. Our journey continues through the Tunnel de la Croix-Rousse, a unique passage beneath Croix-Rousse Hill. With a dedicated lane for pedestrians and cyclists, adorned with artistic installations and lighting effects. As evening falls, we return to Fourvière Hill to witness Lyon illuminated by night. The city transforms into a dazzling spectacle with landmarks like the Basilica, Opera House, and bridges glowing against the dark sky.